overseas like that. But for RAPI, especially Indonesia only. Only in Indonesia.
Right.
That's what I already explained to you. Always be in front of the
District, yeah? Yeah, district.
Oh, okay. 23 in
In
Aceh province.
In Aceh.
Oh.
Choose yourself.
Yes, why not? So,
What you background is,
yes, yes.
what bring you here?
Yes, which is northern part, where big earthquake hit in 2011. So we're still in third time, and so I am far, so it's okay, but still in the same province. So we have to go through that disaster and earthquake.
Paling jemuran doang.
So I only have in my office.
Maybe you can tell them.
Yes, actually I brought this over here. Yeah, they're expensive ones too, but they're like a cheaper, dipole.
RAPI, it's hobby speaking in radio.
Yes.
Yeah, just talk, hi, hello, just like that. But when disasters come,
Yes.
we already informing, share. Coming here, we just talk, joking maybe, speaking,
Sure.
just like that. In
Oh yes.
Oh,
Yes. We don't, talk about disasters. Okay, let's speak Tuesday 2 p.m. Then everybody
Check it.
Checking that.
Right.
We calling checking that.
every night.
Not
No,
every night.
once a week. To have tell our organization about the information.
Right.
Like that.
Right.
So you say before like the mobile phone is not used.
Right.
So we just use radio communication.
That's what I say. The members in the first line
Yeah.
Yeah.
and the
Yes.
disaster
The front line.
the accident,
Yeah.
together with the army,
Yes.
the
Yes.
police.
Police by army,
Oh,
just like
okay.
that.
Do you have a one designated frequency or like different channels? Or?
We have different channel. I think because we
You don't have different channel.
Disaster
Right.
like that. If not, they could use it.
Right.
use repeater.
Oh, a repeater.
Yeah, repeater. Yeah.
Okay, we check it.
Just conducted by. They have already. Oh yeah.
Every month
Because
is,
Like we can work together or like join or what you can do.
That's true.
Maybe what your ideas?
Quick response terhadap persoalan-persoalan.
Quick response team.
Anggotanya beda pak dari.
Dia satgas khusus.
Oh dia beda dengan anggota rapi biasa.
So 40 RC, we have fixed uniform like that. We have, but for every day we can use what?
Sure.
Yes. But 40 RC.
They will move quickly when the accident or cell members.
Ini on Banda Aceh.
Only in Banda Aceh.
In Banda Aceh.
Mean like
Special
special
unit.
force.
Yes, special unit.
RAPI.
RAPI, RC.
And RAPI is bigger logo.
Okay.
RAPI and TRC.
Doing task meeting to headquarter to Jakarta also, but he can use it by SSB.
Tertentu di Aceh, ini quick responnya cepat sampai ke pengambil kebijakan di provinsi. Untuk membangun infrastruktur komunikasi secara terhubung yang bisa mempersatukan Aceh pada khususnya. Saya pikir itu dia perlu mendapat perhatian sekarang.
I mean not.
7 Tango Juliet India, Juliet Zulu 01 Bravo Mike Victoria over.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the warm welcome. This is Icon, huh?
Yes.